Don is taking a 1/4 inch off of this keel. Then we're going to attach an iron plate to it and attach it to the other end of the keel and keep it spinning. We have to take a 1/4 inch off of each side and off each end. We do this with a saw like this, and then we chisel it off. It comes out flat. That's it. It's all. It's working.
BLUM, Phoenicia, Missouri, chiseling out the canal on the boat, 1/4 inch deep. Put metal brackets on it. Just like this one over here.
This is 825. Pre-drill a hole. And we use a coarse threaded 1 5/8 inch sheetrock screw. We don't run it in real far. Probably good. And then we have a wedge that we use. A crowbar. Yes. Just work it out slow. Move the crowbar up.
See it popping. I don't see many of these doubles.
Yeah. There she is. Look at the shine on it. We know it's a shine. All right, very good. And then that allows us to pull the tenon out. That one came out by hand. Wow, a double. All right, very good, Don. Good deal. This is part of the hull. This is S35. I don't know if this is a depth finder on there, but it's got some interesting pieces. We got Monty over here extracting a piece. Look at that. It's all right.
Pliers,
redo it and get some pliers. We're going to come over here to Don. He's working a piece right here. We're going to be pulling out this piece, this dowel here. Re-drill a hole there for the tenon. Run that in a little bit. We have to have the drill. We need to borrow the drill, Monty. We'll bring it back. Use a 1 5/8 inch sheetrock, coarse thread. Susie, back away. Chicken face.
That's 35.
P35. Very good.
That's 35.